Hello awesome artists, my name is Karen Campbell. I'm a mixed media artist and I love to draw and I love to do mixed media projects and I love to teach you along the way. So today I have a really fun drawing tutorial on how to draw the confuzzled look. It's kind of my self-portrait, kind of also a Pinterest pin that I'm doing today. So go grab a piece of paper and some markers and let's go. So go ahead and grab some Bristol paper or cardstock and draw along with me. That's the paper you're gonna want if you're using Copics or alcohol markers, and that's what I'm using today for this drawing. I'm so excited, you guys. Let's begin with drawing our oval shape for the head and neck, and we are literally gonna dive right on in here. Now this project, go ahead and get your guidelines in there just as you see me doing them here. This project is very different because our eyes are not symmetrical, right? So you're gonna do 3 across, but that one on the left is gonna be super wide and almost in a circle, and the other one you're gonna wanna keep nice and squished. Now this is pretty quick, so if you need to pause and rewind at any time, please feel free to do so. Otherwise, you can draw right along with me. Notice how her eyebrow almost touches her eye. And that eye is really angular, the one on the right. So take your time and pause the video so you can get those angles drawn in there. And you really want this to be really accentuated, and that's what we're gonna be getting our facial expression today, is by making these, every little detail of her eyes and her lips are going to be extra exaggerated, but that's the way that you achieve these cool facial expressions. So do not be afraid to put yourself out there and draw some more exaggerated lines today, guys. We got this. I know you can do it. The lips are a little funny. You have that kind of plurgy side on the left there and the teeth biting down on this. So just draw with me. Like I said, pause it and just do the best you can, accentuating that eyebrow all the way down to be touching that eye on the right. Okay, and then if you notice on the left eye, I'm really swinging up the top of the eyelid, and then she's still having these like cat eye makeup application, and look at that. Oh, the drama of the left eyebrow is too good. So I thank the artist who I grabbed this reference from on Pinterest. I could not find the artist's name, but it is from Pinterest. And jokingly, this was my self-portrait, obviously, because I was making that funny face in the video thumbnail. But I really do love this as a like confuzzled face, right? We're confused, disgruntled. I just love it. It's so much fun. I'm really having a blast taking these last few videos and teaching you guys how to do, and myself, how to do different expressions. It's such a breath of fresh air after years and years of drawing these dead-eyed girls, drawing these fun expressions. It is fun, right? Like, why not? So I'm going over my pencil lines that I'm happy with just some Sharpies. I've been doing this whole series in Sharpies. It's just quick and easy. It's a great way to learn and practice shading, and we're gonna get into that in just a minute. And so I'm using my grayscale set from Copics, and I'm just gonna start. And here's my collection. I have the C collection. I have the N as well. So I'm just grabbing the C. It doesn't matter. You can get a link to the description in the description box of all the supplies that I'm using. But I start with a lighter shade. It's easier to start light and go dark than to go the other way around, although you certainly may do so. There's no hard and fast rules about this stuff. And I'm using the reference from Pinterest is just follow me and you'll get the same shading effect. So I'm starting with a light, I believe this is the C2 or 3, and I'm making it heavily accentuated on the left side of the face, which is really fun and easy. If you want another shading guide, you can check out my book, How to Draw Fun Fab Faces, on Amazon, and I have some shading guides in there to help you figure out where to put your shading on different possibilities for shading on your girls' faces. And this, I love it when one side of the face has more light on it than the other, because it adds a real sense of drama and a lot of depth and drama. So it's a great way to accentuate these already fun fab faces that we've been drawing for 20 weeks. We are almost there. This is week 19 of the 100 Fun Fab Faces challenge that I've been doing on YouTube and in my Facebook group, which is Awesome Art School with Karen Campbell. So If you want to play along at the end, you'll find a link to my playlist for all 20 videos and also the playlist for all the expression videos. So you notice as I go down from the super light to the super dark of the shading, my shading areas get smaller and smaller, and that is what helps create the illusion of such depth on these faces. This hair treatment I've been doing over and over again on these last set of expression girls. It's really quick and easy and fun. You can watch all the videos and get a really easy sense of how that's done. Same thing. Oh, cat cam! I had to show you Rosie. I always like to take a little intermission and have some fun with my girls. I have 3 boys, but I have 2 girl cats, and I love to have a quick little interlude of fun in the middle of my videos. Just kind of lightens it up. If you're having a hard time and you can't keep up, I just want to bring you some love through my cat cam. That's what that is. So I'm just going in with some last minute dark areas and punching up any other areas that need more depth. And of course, you always want to pay attention to the last details, the highlights in the eyes with a white paint pen, some last minute expression lines, and then before you know it, this girl is done. And I'm on to the next video where I hope to see you there for the last one in this series of expressions, and then within the larger 20 video series. So see you in the next video. Let's keep up the good work.